Ukraine is shaping a new bargaining chip for its allies. Not more weapons, but its priceless wartime data. Kyiv is carefully drafting a policy on how to share battlefield records, seeing them as leverage for stronger security guarantees. On August 27th, Deputy Prime Minister and Digital Transformation Minister Mykhailo Fedorov told Reuters that Ukraine's combat data, collected over more than 3 years of war, holds unmatched value. In his words, he said, "The data we have is priceless for any country." From drone footage to detailed targeting logs, Ukraine has amassed millions of hours of frontline recordings. These datasets are vital for training artificial intelligence, especially for autonomous drones and swarm warfare.
I think this is one of the cards, as our colleagues and partners say, to build win-win relations.
But Kyiv is not rushing. Officials say they are being extremely careful in deciding how and when to share these records.
The demand for the data is incredibly high, but at the moment we are forming policy how to organize this process correctly.
Ukraine's battlefield is already dominated by drones. Fedorov says up to 90% of Russian targets are now destroyed with drones, a leap from last year, when drones caused about 70% of Russian troop and vehicle losses. Ukraine is also using AI tools from US firm Palantir to scan reconnaissance imagery, track Russian strikes, and even counter disinformation. The same systems help plan civilian projects, from underground schools to demining. Kyiv has opened its front lines as a testing ground. Nearly 1,000 defense firms have applied to trial new weapons in Ukraine, with 50 products already deployed. The ministry has even gamified the war. Units earn points for confirmed kills or destroyed equipment, which they can exchange for drones or jammers. Over 500,000 drones have been distributed through this system in just 1 year. But the timing is critical. As President Trump pushes for a peace deal with Russia, Kyiv's top aides, Andriy Yermak and Rustem Umerov, are in New York seeking guarantees. For Ukraine, the question is whether this digital memory of war, its vast trove of data, can be traded as currency for peace and long-term security.